Hi everyone and welcome to a new session in the new series of learning how to format your thesis. In today's session I am going to explain the numbering of the headings and subheadings. Our focus will be upon the numbering of the headings and subheadings. Let's start with it. So this is the first one, which is heading 1, as we saw in the previous session. We'll go to this and click this icon. Define new multi-level list. So this is the first one, which is chapter 1. So heading 1. We can change any word here instead of chapter. For example, we can write part 1 and we'll see what is the effect. But here in the thesis, we are going to use the word chapter 1. So the word chapter, and here is 1. We can select different namings, maybe 1, 2, 3 by words or by numbers. So depending on the guidelines in your university. The second thing to focus, this is the level or for the heading 1, and start at 1, and then we use tab or space. If there is space, it means manually, and if we use tab, we can change it and then set the tab. Here we don't use anything, just leave it at space, and here 0, 0, and that's it for the title. How to go to the next line? We will just place the cursor here and press shift with enter, and then you see what happens. Now we go to heading 2, the same thing. We just click here and then define new multi-level list, and then we see this is number 2. The heading should be 2 here also, and here we need it to be 1 by 1. If you see the word 1 instead of the number 1, you can just click here and then you define the second level. Something else to add, if this is effective, so you cannot change the numbering here, so you have to uncheck the legal system numbering, and then you change the numbers that you want. So this is the level 1, which is here. You can see it from here, and then dot, and this is level 2. You just click here. Then we select chapter character, add tab, stop at. So after the number, there should be a space. This space is characterized by the tab character with 1.27, or change it as appropriate. So now this is for level 2, heading 2, and this is the numbering. If you uncheck this one, you can change to anything else, for example like this, but for thesis it should be 1, and then you just check this box to be 1.1 as it is shown here. So let's go back here. This is the heading 2, this is heading 3. We'll see this is heading 3. So we go to the numbering and then define new multi-level list. This is number 3. The style is 3, and then we have the start at 1 list. So uncheck this one if you want to change the style, but if you want it to be legally as numbers, you just check this box, and then tab character is 1.78, and here it should be 000. So as you can see, if we make any changes here, it will be reflected here. So it should be all zeros. So now it should be like that. But there is something I would like to indicate. Let's say if we make it longer sentence instead of 2 words or 3 words, the issue of the problem statement should be explained in a way to make the reader understands the real issue. So as you can see, they are aligned together here. Again, if we click here, multi-level, this is level 3, and if we use the same number, so the longer lines of if the line or the name of the heading extends to the second line, it should be aligned in the same at the same let's say space from the left edge of the paper. So these numbers should match together in order to make it align together. But if we decrease it, look what will happen. This is what happens. So again, we have to define it with the same number, 1.78, and then we click OK. So this is the second, this is H1, this is H2, heading 2, heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4. This is heading 4. For heading 4, we just click here, define, or let's say this one is heading 3, and here is the heading 4. For the heading 4, just click here, define new multi-level list, and then this is level 4. The style is heading 4, as we can see here. Then we select the numbers or the format that we need for this level. Let's say here is ABC. Okay. If we change this one to the default, it should be maybe 1. But sometimes you can just erase it and then write the number you want and then a dot. We use also tab character 2.03. If you want to make the second line, if the line extends to the next, we just write the same number as in the tab. We just click OK. As you can see, we can just copy this one and then we paste it here. As we can see, they are aligned together. So this is heading 1, 2, and then 3, and this is number 4. Others, this one is heading 2, this one is heading 2, heading 2, heading 2, and the summary is heading 2, significance, and the summary. If we want to something which is useful, we just click view. This one, if it is not highlighted, it's not shown here on the left side, you just check on or uncheck this box, navigation pane, so you can easily move from one to another. There is something I would like also to share with you. Here you can see a small arrow. If you just click it, all will disappear. Here we have the same, all will disappear. Here also it will disappear if there are subheadings. So all the subheadings will be disappeared if we click here. So if you have different chapters and you want to go through them quickly, you just click here or click here. Or from this side, you just click here again and again. That's it, and I hope this was informative. And if there is anything that that you want to be explained, you just write down at the comments, and if there are any suggestions, kindly write them down also. I hope this was informative, and I thank you very much for your listening and watching this video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.